Today, I'm sharing the number one reason why your affirmations aren't working and the huge mistake that I was making for years. Affirmations are a great way to help us reprogram our mind. Reminding ourselves of a positive message, especially when we've probably heard the negative one our whole lives. By reminding ourselves of this positive message, we can begin to shift our thoughts and actions towards what we want to do and how we want to feel. So I've used affirmations for years to remind myself, let me just give you some examples. I am smart, I'm pretty, and I'm gonna do well on my spelling test tomorrow? Oh, wait a minute, this isn't my journal. Okay, got the right journal this time. So, I've used affirmations for years telling myself, I am confident, I am smart, I can do anything, and I bounce out of bed full of energy. And that's exactly it. You hear the problem, right? There is no emotion in these affirmations. Emotions are energy in motion in your body. And if you're not feeling emotions while writing or saying your affirmations, your body and mind are not gonna believe you. The stronger our emotions are, then the more likely we are to remember it. And the bigger of an effect that affirmation will have on our lives. Okay, so kind of like me, and you struggle with feeling strong emotions, how do we go about doing that? Let's start with figuring out what emotion you want to feel. Usually it's gonna match your affirmation really well, like, I am confident. Well, then you want to feel confident, right? So don't make it too complicated, keep it simple. And if you're having trouble conjuring up that feeling while you're reading your affirmations, then use this handy trick. Pick someone in your life that is confident, and then pretend to be them while you're reading your affirmation 5 times. You could even pick a TV show or video game character if that's easier. Each time you read it, try to grow that feeling even more, feeling more and more confident or more of whatever emotion it is while you read that affirmation. After you've read it 5 times, trying to conjure up that feeling, then swap back to more of your normal self. You can kind of drop that persona, and you should still have some of that emotion in your body, because that emotion is going to last for a little bit. So now read it 5 more times as yourself, but with that boost of confidence or whatever other emotion you want to use. The reps as well as the emotion will help your brain grow this affirmation from a potential into a reality. So don't waste any more time with boring and dry positive affirmations.
I suffer from voice immodulation, Tina.
Because you're always affirming something in your life, so you might as well make it fun, right? And if you're ready to practice, then click this link up here for my playlist of positive affirmations that I'm gonna add to each and every week. This is Coach John, and remember, take care of yourself. You deserve it. I've used affirmations for years because they've been really helpful for especially reminding myself that I'm smart, I'm pretty, and I'm gonna do well on my spelling test tomorrow. This isn't mine.